Look all around you. From the most precise timepieces to smartphones that have exponentially more processing power and memory than Apollo 11, to the miniscopic devices we use to explore, diagnose, and treat the human body, to the skies and beyond, with technology wonders aimed at multiplanetary human existence. These advancements and innovations haven't just enhanced our lives, but satiate the human appetite for ingenuity, curiosity, and discovery. There are tools to the future to do what's never been done before. Looking closely, the best technological answers and inspiration came from the world around us. Nature has 4.5 billion years of evolutionary advance on humans. On a 12-hour clock, humans have been on the planet for a mere 10 seconds. Through biomimicry and biomimetics, we have the opportunity to emulate what nature has engineered and evolved for millions or billions of years to improve life on Earth. By engineering and designing solutions to our most challenging problems and enabling our most daring aspirations. But how can we do that? How do we understand nature's solutions and how do we emulate them? We simply haven't had the tools to do that. Until now. Tools are what enabled human progress. They evolved through the ages, and as they evolved, human evolution progressed exponentially. Several of the answers are on a micro scale, and at micro scale, we need the most advanced microshaping technology and solutions. Introducing LASEA, the leader in material microshaping solutions through advanced micron precision laser technology, enabling better lives in various areas, including med devices, electronics, and luxury products. We empower our clients around the globe to make the impossible possible, opening the door to new generation of advanced technologies and solutions. We emulate nature's nanostructures and patterns with laser-induced periodic surface structures. We learned this by carefully observing the water resistance from the lotus leaf, the colors on a butterfly, and the adherence on a gecko. We enable the microshaping of a wide range of materials through drilling, cutting, 3D texturing, welding, and ablation. Our laser solutions deliver the highest quality and precision, 0.2 micron, 250 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. We are the clean alternative to traditional chemical treatments, gluing, etching, ablation, and others, which create toxic waste. LASEA has been on the forefront of innovation for over 20 years. Trusted by leading global brands across medtech, electronics, and luxury, we fuel innovation with our state-of-the-art R&D and manufacturing infrastructure. We have the most complete solution portfolio with both femtosecond and excimer solutions, and our people make all the difference. We are working towards B Corp certification with clear sustainability priorities. As we observe and learn from the earth, it's ever important to us that we protect it. We partner with the most groundbreaking and demanding brands to empower them with accelerated innovations, the ones that will improve lives and change the world for the better. Let's start the conversation and imagine what you can do next with LASEA on your side.